These 8 clever and easy gardening hacks are so useful that using them can change the way you garden forever. 1. Use honey to propagate cuttings. Honey contains enzymes that promote root growth, and you can use it as a rooting hormone. Honey helps plant cuttings in setting roots, and they propagate easily. It also saves them from fungal problems. 2. EPSOM Salt when transplanting. Use EPSOM Salt when you transplant your plants to save them from transplant shock. When planting seedlings or new plants, dig a hole and place about 1 tablespoon of EPSOM Salt in the bottom of the hole and cover with a thin layer of dirt. Place the plant in the hole and finish planting. 3. Use cooking water to fertilize plants. When you boil or steam some vegetables on the stovetop, don't pour the water down the drain. Once the water has cooled, pour this vegetable water in your plants to fertilize them instead of wasting it. You can also do the same with your boiled egg water. 4. Pinching, deadheading, and pruning. Pinch the tips of your young plants for bushier growth. Deadhead spent flowers from your plants to promote more blooms and remove top shoots and emerging flowers of your herbs to help them have a healthy growth and prevent bolting. Also, most of the new gardeners avoid pruning their plants, but it is important too and helps in rejuvenating the growth of plants. 5. Smother the weeds. If weeds are surfacing in your garden, do this. Before you put a layer of mulch on your planting beds, cover the garden bed with newspapers and then drop a layer of mulch to smother the weeds. 6. Check the soil pH at your home. It's true you are not going to find out the exact value from this test, but it will tell you whether your soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Take a meager amount of soil in a mug and then take 2 spoonfuls of vinegar and mix it in. Now, take a look at it. If you hear a bubbling noise and the mix stirs up, this means your soil is alkaline. If your soil type is not alkaline, then do this again. Take some soil in a mug and add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda in it. Mix water in it to make it muddy. Now see if you hear a bubbling noise and the mix stirs up, then your soil is acidic. 7. Use hydrogen peroxide to help plants. Hydrogen peroxide can be so useful for your plants. It can also save your plants from root rot and many fungal diseases. It also helps to sprout seeds from new plantings. Use a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution once a day and spritz the seed every time you remoisten. You can also use a mixture of 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 32 parts water to improve your plant's root system. 8. Cinnamon powder on seedlings to prevent diseases. Cinnamon has some antifungal qualities, and it smells great as a bonus. Use it to prevent and stop diseases on seedlings.